Abengi po Pimpeños. This is Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025 Grand Coronation Night.
Tonight, one of these ladies will bring home the crown. This is Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025, the Grand Coronation Night.
Hindi nila pa siguro magkasakit, mamili, uli para lang mga lagure, ng anak tabong mutya. Reng mutya na ning balen pinpin, ning balen Santana. Talagang likas lang yung kalagu. Takal ko, apuntalan, ayay alben, kareng ligligang legwan, kalapalumon ng mutya. Ing coronation night ngayon bengi, metong iya kareng ikit kong kareng 14 amutsana ning bawat barangay Keting Balen, Santana. Talagang mga lagu.
We now bring you the Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025 Swimsuit Competition.
Let's go, let's go. Hello.
Truly the beauty of a Pimpeño, magnified by their gorgeous golden swimsuit.
Get it like this, spin it around, taking it back. Get it like this, like that. It's electric, that's a fact. Ring, 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 hello, hello. Ring, 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 hello, hello. Ring, 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 let's go.
This is the Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025 Evening Gown Competition.
Hello? 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 How you wanna pick up? Hello? How you wanna pick up? Hello? How you wanna pick up? Hello? 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 Hello?
Mutyaning Santa Ana 2025
Hello?
es Mutyaning San Agustin. Mutyaning